Yes, sir.
Shaq Daddy on the track.
Yes, sir.
Never patient, girl. I'm so patient. Like the NASCAR snap, snap, no wait. I know you taking out, you wanna conversate. Oh, yeah. Funny if the heart's aching. No fake, really want you, no pretending. Problems get out of hand, your oops will be depending on a phone call, baby, waiting on the answer. Take a step forward, ain't no need to.
Yes, sir.
I'll be a present, open up if you do true rap. I'm a arm, no raps, I wanna feel you. I can't explain it, you got me on something crucial. If ever need to call you, boy, I'll be the do so.
Bye bye. Oh yeah!
Shit, girl, it's your boy the future. Count on me, I'm still here in the future. No worries, no problems. I'll be your protection, no need for the condoms. Yeah, and I ain't gon' slip. I ain't talking about falling up and catch my drift. Keep it real, girl, don't even trip. If you ain't treating me right, then your boy's on the left. Come on, ma, you should already know so. Don't even front, come kick it with a Russo. Change the forecast, I'ma make it rain. This how players rock, you can make a hurricane. Yeah, you need the right direction. I'ma show you that with love and affection. Just get at me, call or start texting. Whenever you need me, I'll be there in a second.
Away from the move, from away from the girl, I can take you on a cruise. No lie, them niggas they don't compare to me. More than just loving something that they never said to me. I show that TLC that way you should be. Treat your first class cause you VIP. Chip, it's just you, I ain't playing no games. Your boy Doc ain't trying to do nothing but
oh yeah!
giving you all the attentions, I ain't trying to complain. But girl, you got me thinking about you almost every day. Tell me what it is, can that be me and you?
Yeah!
If I make your dreams come true, so fast enough to see, girl, I'ma take you up on the ride. I'll take you to a place that I call paradise.
Yeah, there you go. Up.
First things first, MVP, Isaiah Brewer!
Yeah!